In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new payment card in the Ticketmaster app. This is a quick and useful task to know, especially if you want to make checkout faster the next time you buy tickets. Saving your payment information ahead of time can help you avoid delays when tickets go on sale, and it also makes the overall purchase process much more convenient. To get started, open the Ticketmaster app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're in the app, look for the My Account section and tap on it. This is where you can manage your personal settings, account details, and payment methods. After you open My Account, find and select Payment Options. This section is where your saved payment methods are stored. If you've already added a card before, you may see it listed here. If not, that's completely fine. You'll just be adding a new one now. Next, tap Add New Card. This will open the form where you can enter your payment information. Take your time here and type in your card details carefully. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and any other requested information are entered exactly as shown on your card. You'll also need to enter your billing address. This should match the address connected to your card, since that helps avoid payment verification issues later on. Once everything is filled in, give it a quick review before moving on. Checking for small mistakes like a missing number or an incorrect billing zip code can save you time and prevent errors when you try to use the card. When you're ready, tap Save. After that, your new card should be added to your Ticketmaster account and available as a payment option for future purchases. If you don't see the card appear right away, give the app a moment to refresh or try closing and reopening the payment options section. Also, make sure your app is updated to the latest version if something looks different on your screen. And that's it! You've successfully added a new payment card in the Ticketmaster app. Now your account is better set up for faster, smoother checkouts whenever you're ready to purchase tickets.